my dear, there's no overpopulation of deer. There's only an overpopulation of you.
Vegans are better than God. That's right. Because we're out here protecting the animals from being murdered, the animals that he created, while he's just sitting up there doing nothing. So yeah, vegans are better than God. If you don't agree, write it in the comments. But don't just say, oh, you're wrong. And don't just say F you. Like, actually write a reason. And don't say that God created me. Because, God created all of us, and we're all flawed. Right? And don't say, well, God gave us free will, because that wasn't very smart of him, was it? Should not have given us free will. And don't say, well, if God didn't create lions to eat zebras, that the world would overpopulate with all kinds of animals, because God could have simply created all animals to be herbivores, and that they would all just die in their sleep at a certain age, so that there would never be an overcrowding of animals. God could have created the planet whereby there would be no suffering and everybody would live in peace and harmony. But that's not what he did, is it? So I think personally that God's pretty evil. It's either he's evil or he's just impotent, like has no more power, or he's just lazy, something. But it is clear that vegans are better than God, because we're there all day, every day, talking about the suffering of the innocent, while God is just sitting back there and watching it happen. Yeah, and he also, by the way, you're suffering as well, because when I can't speak out about how veganism is also good for your health, you're less likely to have a heart attack, a stroke, or cancer. God just wants to censor everything. I guess he wants you to get sick or something. I don't know. And when we try to protect the environment, because animal agriculture leaves a great footprint, an eco footprint that is disastrous, I guess God really just wants our planet to destroy itself, or for us to destroy her, Mother Nature. I don't know. Anyway, what do you guys think about all this? I mean, besides the fact that we obviously we all agree that vegans are better than God. I mean, it's not even really debatable. It's just so clear. God creates harm, creates suffering. Vegans end suffering. I mean, it's not really anything to debate, right? Yeah. But, it is interesting. So, what are your views? We're going to be creating a new religion where we praise, not God, but we're going to be praising, like, good. Just add an extra O in there or something like that. And we're going to be talking about worshiping the things that are good. So what's good out there? Well, rain is good. Water is good. Water nourishes us. Air is good. That gives us oxygen. We're going to be praising the earth. We need the earth to grow vegetables. And we're going to be praising gravity, because without gravity, we'd be all fucked. We'd all be just floating around everywhere, right? So in our new religion, those are the kinds of things we're going to be praising, that and the sun, the clouds. So I think it's going to be the best religion ever. And we've been listening to you guys who are Muslims and Christians and the Jews and all of you. We're going to be listening to everybody and make this the most inclusive religion ever, the most fun religion ever. We're going to be dancing. We're going to be having vegan potlucks. It's going to be amazing. Anyway, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about all this? I can't wait to read your amazingly intelligent responses. It's going to be good.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save